Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to do offline activation for Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the word Steam in the menu bar. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up Steam's configuration panel, where you can adjust various features and preferences. In the settings window, look at the left panel, where you'll find several categories. Click on Cloud. This section controls how Steam syncs your game data across different devices. Now you'll see an option that says Enable Steam Cloud with a toggle switch right beside it. Go ahead and toggle this off. Disabling Steam Cloud is essential for offline activation because it prevents Steam from requiring an internet connection to verify your cloud save data. This step ensures that your game files are stored locally on your device, allowing you to access them without being online. Next, navigate back to the upper left corner and click on Library. This is where all your installed games are listed. In the left panel, you'll see your game collection. Click on the specific game you want to play offline. This action will prepare the game for the next crucial step. Now, you'll need to wait for a few seconds while the game loads. This process typically takes about 15 to 30 seconds depending on the size of the game and your system's performance. During this time, Steam is initializing the game files and preparing everything for launch. It's important to let this process complete fully, so don't rush through it. The system is verifying that all necessary files are present and properly configured on your local drive. This waiting period is crucial because it ensures Steam has all the information it needs to run the game independently without requiring an internet connection later. Once the game has finished loading and you can see the game's main interface or launcher, go ahead and exit or close the game. You don't need to actually play it yet, you're just confirming that everything is ready to go. Now, head back to the upper left corner and click on Steam again. From the drop-down menu, select Go Offline. This switches Steam into offline mode, which allows you to use the platform and play your games without an active internet connection. Steam will now operate independently using only the locally stored data. Finally, click on Library in the upper left corner one more time. In the left panel, click on the game you want to play. You can now start the game while completely offline, and it will launch without any internet connectivity required. You've successfully set up offline activation for Steam, allowing you to enjoy your games anytime, anywhere, even without internet access. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.